I'm with Renault Megane 2 today. I tried to replace the signal light, turn light, indicator light, whatever else. It's crazy. See, I removed this one, but this is not correct because it's Renault Megane. And guess what? You cannot get it out of here. Even if you open from here, it everywhere there is no space to remove it. Neither you can pull Houdini trick and take out the bulb there and stick it somewhere through here and do all the stuff. Probably you can if you really want, but not sure if it's worth it or possible. But it's just crazy how they made this one, so I'm pretty much not happy about this. So the only possible way, well, take out all the light itself. I know it sounds pretty crazy, but this is Renault Megane, so guess what, you have to waste a lot of time just to get a light bulb. Always hard stuff to do. Not sure about this side, but this is all fine for me. But so I have to remove all the panels so I can get access to all the bolts here under there and under the bumper, probably something as well. Just crazy. And man, I even would not start to try this out if I would know that you cannot do it if you have actually there is no space. It's just crazy. I'll probably just start by popping up all these stuff here. I'm not show you. I know this one, but this everywhere. I guess so. Look, outside is raining and snowing, so very good for me. And Renault, thank you for making this really impossible task for me. What can I say to you? You make my life miserable, sometimes more, sometimes even more. It's just crazy. Yeah. How to make 1 minute work? Okay, even if you go down there, it's not 1 minute, so you have to remove the tire itself and all the other stuff. But anyway, you wonder how to make easy work, very hard one, as the Renault. I will just provide you with all the information how to manufacture little like that stuff there. You see that they could actually make smarter, make a little bit more room, just enough to get out the bulb. But no point for that for Renault. All I care is just how to make the car more hard to replace. All the parts, fix this. I'm pretty much sad about this. So probably I'm sorry for my chaotic movements. I'm just spending quite too much time outside. I will replay this one. I have this one more. It's a biggie. Sometimes they break. Not like made from metal or something like that. Don't forget, don't close your car. Go here. This is plastic, probably use flat screwdriver. Haven't actually never opened this one, so I'm not sure what to expect there. With the previous owner opened this one a few times more or less. Okay, later on find this one where it is. Let's replace it. after you removed all the bolts there, as well some I have here too. I removed these ones, and I have actually already broken down this piece, so it was hanging on this strap, so I kind of just cut it so it's no more connected to lower part. Next is chain, kind of pulling this out. This might not be that easy, so figure out where you want to start. Just have it right here, and we'll try to just remove this one. You see it's kind of locking here in, so I have to pull it a little bit more force. I'll be able to show you how to do it, but just try to. If you remove all the bolts, grab it here and gently pull this outwards. Car didn't pop this side, but popped open this side easier, so probably just start from here and figure out what's working. Something is kind of holding this in place here. I don't know what exactly. And remove all the bolts. Find the faulty one. It was here, but again already broke a little bit this one, but this didn't go out at all, so I had to press from the other side. Make sure you don't break all your lamps and whatever else. But next you can actually take away this one from this clip here, so you don't have to remove all the bumper, and then just I will use Torque 30 and remove Lightbulb. And remove the light itself. Not light bulb, but light. It's kinda there. And the extension. It's quite deep there. Try not to lose it. It's fell out here. Let's take it. Oh, and put the safe. And one more. Oh, here it is. Out. Take this one as well. Away. It's somewhere safe. Now you can actually feel that the light bulb lights by itself hanging freely. Yikes. And there it just fell out. Yeah. So do not bother with trying to get there, just waste of time. Get here and I will just replace this one and put it back there in. This is not the best solution, I ever did this before, but I just taped around here a little tube and I will slide it through this hole here and then try to get here and suck out all these little pieces. I'm not sure how to put this in, but I will show how, if I can remove it. I'll just try to shake this one. It kind of moves as you see, so just get there. You also can get two other holes if you want, but I'll try to get through this. Was probably not interesting anyway, but as you see I removed most of the little pieces just with this one, so they actually fell on ground. So next is replace the light bulb. So for the light bulb all you need is PY21 watt, and then just make sure it matches, and then just unbolt this one. Shouldn't be too hard. I'm sorry. Just like, and it's out. And take the new one. So the new one, you can, if you want to touch the glass, try to take with paper, but it's anyway not like it's going to burn out because of your fat, because it's not actually working that much, as you know, just for the indicator light. But anyway, just that is in. That's nice. And then just go for it and put it back in here. Make sure you close it good enough, otherwise it will not work and then you have to do it everything again. So, well, how it was something like this. Okay, it was something like that. And then just one hand really hard, but turn it clockwise. And check if it's working all fine. You see it's blinking the orange, now red. Seems alright. As you see, this is clearly more white than this one. Probably not visible here, but it is interesting. Nice, so it's all done now. Just put everything back together, will be probably challenging. Let's check it out, it works everything. The light bulb is working. Okay, this is working. And signal light is working. Nice, that's good. So that's how I replace your signal light, turn light, indicator light, whatever else. Thanks for watching and goodbye.